Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Go, and in today's video we are reviewing, we're reviewing the Air
Are you stupid or something?
Nike Air Vapormax. Nike. No.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We are reviewing the Nike Air Vapormax Flyknit. I don't know how to spell it, let me not butcher it, but you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title, you know what I'm reviewing today. And also, if you want to get Vapormax or anything Nike here with like minimum of 30% off, go down in the description, yeah, get you some pair of Vapormax here, 360, instead of $180, get them for 125, link in the description. Alright, let's get it.
Yeah. Glitch. Let's get it.
Chacola Melo.
Whoa.
So yeah guys, we're about to unbox this thing, you feel me? But before we start unboxing, I would like you to appreciate how beautiful the box is. It's very beautiful. Yeah, I say the word beautiful a lot in these reviews. I know. Don't blame me. There you go. Ooh, I can't let you guys see that. I can't let you guys see. Oh, it's not even that deep because I didn't pay by card. So you scammers can't get me. But yeah, they look magic to me, no cap. I mean, just look at them. Okay, we're gonna take them out now. Take them out. Okay. You know, this is what they look like. You know, personally, from me to ye, my style is more of the black ones, do you know what I mean? But like fully black. But these ones, they're special. Let's see what it feels like. This is therefore a summer shoe, do you know what I mean? It's got the bubbles here, and the bubbles, I mean the bubble or the air, listen, the bubble here, it's got some shiny stuff on it. Can you not see? It's got some shiny stuff. I don't know how to explain it, why it was. It's real nice. Okay. It's got this as well, silver. Everything in this shoe shines. And it's very flexible. Very flexible. Let's see the inside. So yeah, the inside, every Vapormax says something different inside. It just says Vapormax with a couple pluses, I guess. They look good though. They look good, no cap. Yeah. We're gonna try them now, alright? So yeah guys, I think it's about time we try them on. This is the ultimate test. Interesting. Okay. To be honest with you guys, I think these are the perfect running shoes. Like, do you know what I mean? They're really made for sports. Yeah, definitely. And I can also see that this shoe was made for the summer. Like, it really is a summer shoe. You see? But I feel like, I low-key feel like this year, I don't know, man. I don't like the feeling. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna be 100% honest. A lot of people will love it though. I mean, it's just not my style. It's just not me. Do you know what I mean? I mean, they can look good, but you know, it feels comfortable. But the thing is that, like, obviously, for me personally, I don't like it. The fact that the fabric, yeah, it feels like I just put like a jumper and I just put it there like that. You know what I mean? It feels too comfortable. I like to feel like my shoes are solid. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the Balenciagas, the things, the Balenciaga. But I'll cop the Balenciaga ones, maybe because it's all black. But I just don't like this feeling. Or maybe I'm not used to it. It feels like I'm wearing a pair of socks here, and underneath it's an actual shoe. The top feels like this part feels like a sock. Yeah, like socks, and then here it feels like a shoe. Like, I don't know, man. I'm not really sold on them. I like this part though. Maybe if it was all black, that's why I think I'll cut them. But the way they are right now, nah. Maybe the all black. If you want to get them, get them in all black. I don't like this color personally. Do you know what I mean? Or maybe I'm not used to this type. Maybe I'm not used to it. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, guys. Here they are. The only thing I like about it is the Nike swoosh and the back. It's got Vapormax at the back. Do you know what I mean? Yo, guys. I haven't decided to try them with a new, another tracksuit, and I think it does look better with like this tracksuit. I'm still not sold on them, but if you want to wear them with a black tracksuit. You know what I'm saying? Because otherwise, it's just gonna look too. You know what I mean? Literally, it's alright. To me, it's alright. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of it's not even comfortable to me. It feels weird. I think I'm not used to this type of shoes, you know what I'm saying, type of trainers. Like the socks feelings, I don't have that no cap on for that. But yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, if you still want to purchase them, I'll put the link down in the description. You know what I'm saying? Hurry up and get them. If you want them, obviously. I am buying them, no cap. I'll buy the other Vapormax, the standard one and the 360, but these ones, no, maybe the black one. I'll put the link to them in the description, including the black Flyknits or whatever, Flyknit. And you know what I'm saying, you get it for cheaper if you use my link and everything. So yeah, it's a win-win, do you know what I mean? So yeah, this is actually the first review I've done where I don't like the product. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe and share. I'll put a link to this head tie in the description too. You feel me? Love you all, guys.